What can be wrong with the Whirlpool electric dryer or any other electric dryer? This question is a key for those who are moving into a new home or have started noticing some strange behavior of your major appliance. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a quick inspection of your dryer, and you can follow this step by step and figure things out. Hello homeowners, my name is Gary and I'm the owner and operator of the Techvill Appliance Repair in Calgary, Alberta. On my YouTube channel I share tips and advice on how to look after your appliances, how to avoid the breaks, and how to make an educated choice when it comes to selecting the new appliances. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. Here's our Whirlpool dryer, and there are quite a few things that are hidden. You have to be aware, and not every home inspector is checking all of them. There are three things that you should be looking at: heat, noise, ventilation. Now let's look at them one by one. Number one, to check up if your dryer is heating, basically you just need to run the heating cycle. I prefer to run the normal cycle. After a couple moments, just pause the unit, open up the door, and see if you can feel the heat. This case is good. If there is no heat, so that might be either the heating element is faulty or the high temperature limit thermostat. Very rarely it can be a control board, but in most of the cases this is the heating element. If your dryer does not produce any heat, in this case you need a technician to come up to your house, take it apart and see which part exactly needs to be replaced. Second thing, noise. Again, simply run the normal cycle. If there is some issues with their rolling parts, such as rollers or idler pulley, you will feel the vibration or will hear a really high pitch sound. In this case, it's working normal. Third thing, and one of the most common issue, is the ventilation line. The ventilation is attached to the dryer, and in most of the cases you feel that your dryer is not heating properly, and that's because of the ventilation is either partly clogged or it's blocked totally. First step of where the lint is coming to is the filter. Simply pull it out and check it out for any buildups. Manufacturer recommends to clean it after each cycle or before each cycle you're doing. You can do it every 2-3 cycles. Second thing is ventilation outlet, which is located either on the side of your house or on the roof. If it's located on the roof, probably you're not really lucky. It's very complicated to check up the line in there and the outlet. In our case, the ventilation outlet is located on the side of the house, so that's what we're gonna check out. So the easiest way to check up if you have a good flow, in other words, your duct line is not clogged, is just to see the flow coming out from your house. Simply take some kind of a paper and put it in here. As far as you can see, the flow is really good. So that means there is no issue with the duct line. And again, there are three things needs to be checked up in your dryer: heat, noise, ventilation. That's it. Let me know in the comments how your inspection went, and if you have some specific questions about your dryer, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I will respond to all of them. Smash the like to this video and I will see you soon.